Hello viewers, you are welcome to my channel. This is Luchi's Design. In today's video I will be teaching you the proper way to insert an inseam pocket onto a dress or a skirt. If you are the type that find it difficult to achieve a neat and well relaxed inner pocket, this video is for you. Please make sure you watch till the end. I'll be using this paper for illustration for more clearer view. Okay, the length I'm working with is 8 inches. I added half inch for joining, and the width is 7 inches plus half inch for seam allowance. You now have 8.5 inches for length and 7.5 inches for width. You can also use your hand to determine the length of your pocket. Depending on what you want, you can give your pocket any shape, but for mine I'll be drawing the shape the way I want it. Just watch what I'm doing. I'll just draw the line. This side is where my pocket opening will be at 7 inches. Okay, after giving it the shape that I want, I'll now cut it off. I'll just trim it off. After cutting it off, the next thing I will do now, I will place it on my lining. I'll be using lining to cut it. I'll place it on my lining and cut it out. Okay, that place is a half inch where I will attach it on my dress. I'll place the pattern on my lining and cut it off. After cutting it off, you iron it very well if it's rumpled. After cutting it, you just go to your sewing machine and sew it round. This is when I was done sewing it. I use stripes of fabric to turn it. You can use interlocking machine to weave it to seal off the rough edges. So the next thing now is to attach it on my dress. The cutting and sewing of this gown is on my channel. Please make sure you check it out. So from my shoulder, I will measure down 19 inches. See where I place my tape. This 19 inches is the starting point where I will insert my pocket. If you're a very tall person, you can use 20 inches. Okay, from that 19 inches I will measure down 7 inches. That's the opening of my pocket. After measuring it down, you now use your seam ripper to rip the thread off so that you can create a hole where you will insert your pocket. Just lose the thread. After losing the thread, the next thing to do is to insert your pocket, but before that you need to back stitch on the both end. Just go to your machine, use a back stitch to stitch it down so that it will not loose. Just stitch the both end. After that, the next thing now is to attach the pocket. When I was stitching it, I left half inch. I just left half inch on the two sides so that I will have where I will stitch it on the dress. Just place it. See the way I'm placing it. Place one part, see the other part. The other part will go to the other side. This is very simple, very easy to do. If you align it, you use your pin to secure it. See the I'll fix the other side. When you are attaching it, don't attach it close to where you lose your thread, your stitches, the first stitches, so that it will relax very well. After that, you use your iron to iron it. Everything will just relax. When my client put it on, the fitting was so impressive. So this is the end of the video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel.